Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for coming and checking out another video. Today's video, I'm doing transmission fluid and a transmission filter on this 2016 Nissan Titan XD with the Cummins. Let's get into it. Use a 19mm socket to remove the drain plug from the pan. Locate the transmission. Pull out the plug where you see the fluid dripping right here. That is a 19mm plug. So grab a ratchet, pull it out, let it drain into your drain pan until it's totally done. Use a 10mm, go all the way around, remove the bolts that hold the drain pan slash transmission pan, whatever you want to call it. Take all the bolts out, drop the pan down on the ground. Here's the part number for the transmission filter. Here is the transmission filter. It's held in with three 10mm bolts that go through here. It has an O-ring here that seals it to the transmission, and then this piece sucks the oil out of the pan. Here's a part number for the transmission pan gasket. Here's what the fluid looks like at 65,000 miles. It's like a cloudy red. Should be a clear, nice red. This is like cloudy. When I clean the pan, I'll show you what the white paper towel looks like. There's a decent amount of stuff on the magnets in here. We have 4 magnets, and they're all pretty fluffy with crap. So it's going to take me a minute to clean this. I don't know how bad this is compared to the rest of everyone, but to me, that's a decent chunk of shavings or clutch material for 65,000 miles. Clean off the magnets all nice and good. Then you're going to put them back in the pan. There's little squares on the pan that show you where to put it back. So put one back on all 4 of those. I'm using Right Stuff along with the gasket. I put a super thin layer on here just to fill any imperfections in either the gasket or the metal. And I'm also going to put the gasket on, then put a super thin layer on the other side of the gasket that touches the transmission. So there should be no sealing problems whatsoever at that point. I put them in hand tight, just snug. I let this dry for about an hour and a half or so, 2 hours, and then I go around and I tighten it down. Here's the oil I'm using. It's an AMSOIL ATF Signature Series. It's a higher version than the OE. And we're going to start filling this into this dipstick right there. It's right above the oil dipstick, which is the yellow handle. It's in the back. It has a black handle with a little safety notch that holds the dipstick into the tube. Hopefully this video helped you out, saves you some money. No reason to go to the dealer for any of this stuff. So, hope you enjoyed. Till next time, wrench on.